Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Charge the earbuds, then keep your Chromebook open on Settings Bluetooth. Next, put the Jlab Earbuds into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power or multifunction button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. You do this because Chromebooks only list devices actively advertising Bluetooth. Without pairing mode, the buds remain invisible. Once you see the blinking light, move quickly to the Chromebook screen so the device appears in the Available Devices list. On the Chromebook, find and click the Jlab Earbuds name in the Bluetooth Devices list. You must select the exact model shown. If a PIN prompt appears, accept or enter 0000/1234 as needed. Most Jlab models pair without a PIN. You should hear a tone when the connection completes. If nothing shows, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the Chromebook's Bluetooth by disabling and re-enabling in settings. This forces a fresh scan and can reveal devices stuck in limbo. Once paired, set the Jlab earbuds as the audio output in settings sound so audio routes correctly. Test with a short clip. If you hear nothing, unpair and repair. Sometimes stale pairing data blocks audio. If problems persist, reboot the Chromebook and ensure Chrome OS and earbuds firmware are current because software mismatches can break Bluetooth profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: remove the earbuds from Chromebooks and other previously paired devices to avoid automatic reconnect conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.